All right, y'all. So we working on the drive axle, brakes, and drum. I'm gonna show y'all what Jake showed me earlier. He just knocked off the drum, so I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see it. So this is the passenger side drive axle. Had no spring on it.
There's the spring right there.
Oh, there's the spring. Damn, it was twisted.
Yep. That's one of the three.
Special shout out to Jake for being part of this video here at Wilmington. So if you come in here and get your truck worked on, ask for Jake.
Yeah, they overgreased the fuck out of that.
So I told Jake I do YouTube to educate other drivers that's looking to get their truck. And he showed me they overgreased. When I got my grease job done, so all that grease end up on the S-cam?
Yeah, when they grease that, I don't see any. Your wheel seal is not blown. So.
You know what I do get in my truck? The traction control light is on. So I don't know if it's...
Probably because this ABS sensor's covered in fucking grease.
Right. So when y'all decide that y'all gonna get a truck, these is the things you have to look out for. This drum got the, let me see the, yeah, this drum is old. Oh, damn, I got a crack in this brake. Look at that. Man, this one is... all that extra grease just end up there when they grease my joints on my truck. That's the spring. That's supposed to go between these two. Crazy, bro. So we here at the Petro in Wilmington, Illinois. So I just came in for front brakes and turned around, and now I gotta get brand new drums because this is my old drum, and most likely this is the original drum. Remember, this is a 2012 Volvo, so it got heat cracks in it also. If you look right here, that's a heat crack. Then look, the grease in there from when they over greased the joints. So let me see if I can get it. Trying to keep my hand clean. That's just ridiculous. See what I'm saying? Well, like grease. Telling you, only Sinister bring you this. For real. Damn, that's crazy. I see what you were saying with all that grease caked up, came back over here. And it ends up on the brakes. That's crazy. See, Jake is the type of mechanic who really makes sure he does what he does, because one, me and him was talking earlier, he was like, you know what? I don't want to be responsible behind somebody having an accident. Do it right the first time and you ain't got no problems later. So I'm always through here, so when I come, the next time I'm coming here, this is who I'm gonna ask for. Cause you gotta get those certain mechanics, you know, like you gotta get those certain mechanics, you know, like I seen him even clean, you know, when you put the lug nuts back on, just the screw, and I was like, man, I ain't never see that, and he was like, listen, it just keeps the wheel from coming off also. And then just him cleaning it the way he cleaning it now, I ain't never see it. But y'all seeing it. Now y'all get to see it. Boy, I will run into all kind of problems with DOT. And DOT is looking for money. That's their goal. They looking for money, they looking for violations. And this is just one of them. We got 3 more to take off. We're gonna show y'all. See what we find. Don't be running home neither if you got a high bill, because then you're just gonna put yourself in the hole. Because remember, if you go home and you go home for a few days, you ain't making no money. So now that I accumulated a brand new bill, going home is not a choice right now. Let's get rid of the bill and then go home. Don't go home with a bill that's crazy and then you come back out and then you gotta play catch up. Then remember, I'm gonna have to pay for my truck payment, because I most likely would take off a week. So I'm gonna lose a week of running. I'm coming back out in the hole. So, but the best thing I can do is just keep on running right now and knock the bill off, then go home. But a lot of drivers don't do that. Some drivers, they out here, they stay out 3 weeks, then they go home. Some run 2 weeks and go home on lease purchase, and then they wonder why it doesn't work for them. You don't accumulate enough money for your escrow account, your maintenance account. Then you go home, you spend money because you splurging, because you got a little bit more money than a company driver. And then you come back out, you're in the hole because you got truck payment, trailer, you know, if you leasing, if you renting the trailer, insurances, fuel. So those payments don't stop because you go home. You come back out to those. And every week that starts fresh, remember, you start in the hole because you got your fixed costs. That's why it's important to cut down your home expenses. Like, a lot of drivers got Netflix and Hulu, and you in the truck stop and you spend the money on DVDs, and that DVD basket to get you. So watch how you spend your money. Don't splurge your money. Put money up because emergencies do happen and things does happen. Yeah, that look good right there. And that's getting the rust off, right? Yep. This is what you call pride in your work. You don't got too many people who do that. You got people who just go to work, but they don't take pride in their work. And that's why you get half-ass service. Shit, how long you been a mechanic?
Going on 26. Started when I was like 15.
Damn. Yo, Jake, you started 15, 16? You going on 26?